Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Spotify username. So here I've already opened the Spotify apps on my phone, and if you want to change your username, let's go to my profile first. So click on the names in here at the top left corner, then click on settings and privacy and go to account. So as you guys can see here, there's a username, but if you click on it, you cannot click on the username, so you cannot change that in here. So you can just go back and let's click on the names again, and here click on the view profile. So when you click on view profile, there will be this edit option, and here there is this name. So you can only change your username in here. You can change it to your liking, and after that click on save at the top right corner, and that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.